Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to disable SysMain on your old laptop or a laptop with limited RAM. If you've been experiencing slow performance or high disk usage, turning off this feature might help speed up your system. Let's get started. First, let's quickly go over what SysMain is. SysMain, previously known as Superfetch, is a Windows service that helps improve the performance of your system by preloading frequently used apps into your memory, so they open faster. However, on older laptops or systems with limited RAM, SysMain might actually cause more harm than good by using up valuable resources. So, in those cases, disabling it can lead to a smoother experience. Now, let me show you how to disable SysMain on your laptop. It's a simple process. Here are the steps. Press Win+R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type services.msic and press Enter. This will open the Services window. Scroll down and look for SysMain in the list of services. Right-click on SysMain and select Properties. In the Startup Type drop-down menu, select Disabled. Click Stop under the Service Status section to stop the service immediately. Finally, click Apply. Then OK to save the changes. That's it. SysMain is now disabled. By disabling SysMain, you might notice less disk usage and smoother performance, especially on older systems with limited RAM. If you ever feel like your system is running better, you can always enable SysMain again by following the same steps and setting it to automatic. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on improving your laptop's performance. See you in the next one.